Hi everyone. So I was trying to do the current reading or the current energy reading today, and it went into a different direction. And I feel this is not just the current energy update, but you will get to know that what are the past life patterns that you have been repeating, and because of which you are creating blockages in any of your situation. So so you see, these are the cards uh, for today. So if you see, in the past, it says that in the past you might have gone through some sort of heartbreak. So this card shows the heartbreak, and I think it's been very long that you have been trying to walk away emotionally, detaching yourself, trying very hard to get away with it, and कि आपको किसी तरह से affect नहीं करे. But if you see, internally you are still hurting. Maybe you're not aware of it. And on the left side, this card, which shows Two of Pentacles, this card shows कि आप अंदर से तो you are hurting, but ऊपर से you are trying to juggle. You're trying to show that you are perfectly fine. So it's not that you're not trying to come out of it, but समटाइम्स हमारे बहुत कोशिश करने पे भी, बहुत टाइम लगाने के बाद भी, वी आर नॉट एबल टू exactly come out of it, or heal the hurt that we have gone through. So you see that we have this Devil card and the Chariot. So the Devil card, we have been talking about it a lot in the previous readings, that the Devil is all about patterns and some sort of patterns that we keep following. A lot of time we don't even realize that what patterns we need to fix. So when I saw this card, I tried asking that what is that, why did we get this card, how can we fix it, and in fact what is that we need to know to fix it. Only when you know it, you can fix it. So the Devil shows that there is something that we need to fix to be able to move forward. And the card, the Chariot card on the right, it says that even though there are some things that we need to fix first to be able to forward, which are keeping us behind, once we have the control over ourselves, we will definitely get the victory. We need to have more balance. The Chariot shows the white and the black figure, which shows that we need to have balance, emotional and mental balance. And then we will be able to move forward. Like you see, we have been trying, but we are not able to do it. So then let me come to the Devil card, which is the focus of this reading today. So I got from the Energy Oracle cards, you see, I got these cards when I asked why Devil. So if you see, it says the first two cards are longing for love and loneliness, and the picture itself tells the whole story. So maybe there's a pattern which we are following from the past life, wherein we didn't have the successful relationship, or we did not have the equal give and take in the relationships, or maybe we have gone through some sort of betrayals, and maybe in this life also we are carrying the same wounds, same hurt, and same patterns in this life as well. And that is the reason that we feel lonely even if we are in a relationship. So ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि because of this loneliness, हम अभी भी we are still waiting for the same person, we are still with the same person. So I think we need to heal this pattern, एंड एक तरीका तो ये है कि राइट नेक्स्ट टू दैट वी हैव आर्कएंजल रफाएल, who is known for love, healing, and miracles. So we can call upon Archangel Raphael, we can pray to him, and we can ask for healing in the love situation or whatever situation it is. So that is one. Then next is, you see parent and child and the explorer. We have got these two cards side by side. So if you see, the cards are related. All the three cards, the longing for love, parent and child, and explorer. So parent and child, ऐसा भी हो सकता है कि आपका childhood or the family life in your early days, early childhood days, was not fulfilled, और आप अपने पेरेंट्स की बहुत अटैच नहीं थे, या somehow you were mistreated by somebody, you never felt valued by the parents or your caregivers and caretakers. इस कार्ड का मतलब ये भी हो सकता है कि if you are a parent, you might be carrying the same patterns. So first you need to heal yourself. You need to love yourself. जो आप कभी भी एक्सपेक्ट करते थे, जो आप डिज़र्व करते थे दूसरों से, पेरेंट्स से, अपने सराउंडिंग में जो भी थे उनसे, that you need to give it to yourself so that you can nurture your own children. And वही पैटर्न आप ना फॉलो करें एज अ पेरेंट, एंड आपके बच्चों को you keep them deprived. So this is another one. So या तो आपका पैटर्न, आपका चाइल्डहुड was not that great and आपने हमेशा डिस्टेंट, इमोशनल डिस्टेंस, वो बिलोंगिंगनेस आपको नहीं फील हुआ, एंड दैट कुड बी द रीज़न कि व्हेन यू गेट इनटू एनी काइंड ऑफ रिलेशनशिप, व्हेन यू ग्रो अप, तो यू कैरी द सेम पैटर्न. इवन इफ यू आर नॉट वैल्यूड, आप उस रिलेशनशिप में ही यू आर स्टक इन इट. You keep waiting for the same person to love you back. So these two are related. Then there is explorer, traveler or wanderer, which shows कि past life में आपकी, one of the past life में maybe you were you had to travel a lot. Somehow travel was associated work wise, or या तो आप like in early days वॉर के लिए भेजा जाता था घर से लोगों को. तो इस लाइफ में एंड लोग फैमिली से अलग हो जाते थे, तो अगेन दे यूज टू फील डिप्राइव्ड ऑफ लव, या वो लॉन्गिंगनेस टू टू मीट द फैमिली, टू बी विद देम, टू फील लव्ड, वो सब नहीं हो पाता था. तो दिस इज़ जस्ट वन ऑफ द रीजन्स दैट वाई यू माइट हैव बिन separated or away from the family. So and एक और भी रीज़न what I can understand is कि as a parent, या फिर कुछ तो ऐसा फैमिली में हुआ होगा जिससे आप कभी वॉक आउट हो गए for some reason from the family, you went away somewhere. Travel is associated. तो आप हैप्पीली गए या आप किसी और रीज़न से गए, ये तो नहीं पता है, बट फैमिली से अलग हुए एंड यू हैड दैट लॉन्गिंगनेस विच इज़ क्रिएटिंग दिस. सो वंस यू नो, वंस यू आर अवेयर, हम यहाँ पे यही सब हील करने आए हैं, यही पैटर्न्स हील करने आए हैं, सो दैट हम अपने ब्लॉकेजेस हटा सकें और वी कैन फाइंड a better life, healthier relationships, true love, whatever be the situation. Then you see we have Archangel Gabriel. Communication of all kinds, it says. So what it means is, if you are in a relationship, a lot of time, and also it is side by side with the parent and child card. So I would say maybe आपको चाइल्डहुड में there was something or somebody जिसने आपको बोलने नहीं दिया अपना ट्रूथ. You were not supposed to speak your truth. या आपकी somehow आपका कम्युनिकेशन, आपकी आवाज़ को सप्रेस किया गया, and you're not able to communicate your desires, your needs in a relationship properly. So here there is a guidance, and also you can call upon Archangel Gabriel, who can help you with the healing, or who can help you communicate properly. So probably there's a need to communicate properly in your relationships and whatever situation you are in. So that might also be coming from the childhood. Then we have this energetic realm, life between lives. So we have always heard about this, reincarnations, and हम सुनते आए हैं that we reincarnate. So after that there is a energetic realm where we decide कि इस लाइफ में हम क्या हील करने वाले हैं, कि कौन हमारा पेरेंट होगा, कौन हमारे बच्चे होंगे, एंड दैट वी डिसाइड ऑल दिस. सो दिस कार्ड रिमाइंड्स अस दैट इस लाइफ में भी हम कुछ तो सोच कर आए हैं, कुछ तो प्लान करके आए हैं. उसी को कार्मिक टाइज बोलते हैं, कार्मिक हीलिंग बोलते हैं. सो वी शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, ये सब जो है हमारे पैटर्न्स हैं, हम यही सब हील करने आए हैं. सो इस लाइफ में जो भी हमारे आसपास हैं, उन लोगों के साथ हमें अपने रिलेशनशिप्स, एंड ऑल्सो वी नीड टू आइडेंटिफाई द पैटर्न्स एंड हील देम इन दिस लाइफ इटसेल्फ, ताकि हमें अगली लाइफ में यही पैटर्न्स दोबारा, यही तकलीफ़, यही हर्ट, बिट्रेयल्स, ये सब हमको दोबारा ना झेलना पड़े. So just look at the card. I'll show you all the cards once again. I hope आपको कुछ थोड़ी सी awareness आई है. Maybe you can identify the patterns and beat the devil. Thank you.